Welcome back to our series all about creating an influencer media kit with Wix. You've chosen your template. Now let's make it yours. In this video, we're going to customize your colors and fonts so your influencer media kit perfectly reflects your personality and brand. On the left side panel, click on Site Design. Here, you'll be able to customize your site colors or color theme, text theme, page background, and page transitions. So this is where we'll start tailoring everything to your brand. As mentioned in the previous video, it's important to prepare your color palette by knowing their hex codes. So anyway, go to color theme. The base colors should be usually black and white, but if you want to change them, you can do so. Just make sure that the colors are a good contrast to ensure that you meet accessibility standards. For the accent colors over here, you can change them to the colors on your palette. So click on a color, this one for example, and if you've got the hex code for your color, you're gonna have to paste that over here. But if you don't have the hex code, that's okay too. You can just move this around and choose the color that you'd like to use. So you can do the same thing for all of your other colors here as well. Take a look at your page and see if you're happy with the colors that you've selected. Once you're happy, it's time to move on to your text theme. Here, you can change your fonts individually, so you can choose a font for your headings and a font for your paragraph. But what I'd like to do is to click on Change Text Theme and just select from their preset templates over here. So click on a text theme you'd like to apply to your site. And there you go. So it's just very quick and easy. Now, if you'd like to add a page background to your website, this is where you want to go. You can choose a simple solid color, an image, or a video. If you use an image or a video, just make sure to use ones that are not too distracting, as the main focus of your website should be the content and not the background. And finally, let's go to page transitions and select a transition that we'd like to apply to our site to give it a professional and smooth feel. Once you're done working on your colors, text themes, page background, and page transitions, you can close this panel now and click on Save to make sure that the changes you've made to your site will also be saved. And that's it for now. In the next video, we'll upload your photos, graphics, and logo to really bring your site to life. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.